Welcome back into Market Day Report. I am Scott Shelby, otherwise known as the Cow Guy. Glad to see you here. Thanks for joining us. But this is unfortunately the last time we're going to get to talk together because in 15 minutes and 5 seconds exactly, the Cow Guy close, 1 Central, 2 Eastern, top of the hour. We have got a bang-up show for you. Very excited to have all of our guests on. We have a first-time caller, long-time listener, too. So it'll be exciting to see great topics. The Cow Guy close, 1 Central, 2 Eastern, in 14 minutes and 45 seconds from right now. All right, let's take a look at these markets as we go into the close, because we're not going to get back together before that either. So let's take a look at corn, what that's done for us. We're 4 1/4 cents lower in that March contract to 677. 4 3/4 cents lower in the May to 674.5. And look at Dees. Dees, that's the new crop, off 4 1/4 cents to 596 3/4. Moving right along, he says moving. March down 12 cents. 15.12.5 is last there. And the soybeans, May's down 13 1/4 cents to 15.08 1/4. Now let's take a look at Novi new crop soybeans and see what that's got in store for us. That's going to be down, but how much is the answer? 11 3/4 cents lower to 13.62.5. All right. How about wheat? What's the Chicago wheat look like here right now? Chicago wheat's going to be lower by 7 cents in the front month. That's March. 735.5 is last. May is down 6 3/4 cents to 743 1/4. All right. What about the hard red wheat in Kansas City, the old HRW down in KC? 7.5 cents lower in that March to 834 even. May is down 7 1/4 cents to 829 3/4. Spring wheat. Let's see what that's got going on for us. We're up 2.5 cents in Minneapolis. March is trading at 903.5. May is up a penny to 898 even. But we do see a little bit of a loss as you go out the deferreds. July SEP and D's off between 1 and 3 1/4 cents. Finally, let's get to the cotton market. What's going on there? We're off 126 points in the March. That's front month. 83.55 is last. Only about 32 cents off the lows there. So it's been kind of hanging around that level all day. Let's bring in our next guest analyst. It's going to be Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures. He's in Chicago. Mr. Sloup, what's on your mind? What's top of mind? The floor is yours, brother.
Well, quite a difference about 24 to 34 hours makes, right? Yesterday morning, we were looking at multi-month highs in March corn and March soybeans. We quickly reversed and have been pretty much under pressure ever since then. I think we're getting some yield reports from down in South America from Ag Resource, which is doing a crop tour, coming in better than expected. We've also got forecasts in Argentina and Brazil looking a little bit better than expected for the next 2 weeks as well. So you're certainly enticing some selling pressure at the upper end of these trading ranges. Right now, D's right up against those December highs, but not able to chew through that. I think that's a little bit of a caution flag in the near term. However, I think the March contract charts are still relatively constructive. I think the big caution flag comes in when you look at the new crop for corn and soybeans. So that's going to be December corn and November soybeans. That's the big question mark for us going forward. And we're trying to work with clients to protect the downside risk. And with that, really excited to see CME's launching weekly new crop options next week, which I think will be a great tool for producers to use so they won't have to pay all that time premium to go out to December to hedge their downside risk ahead of big potential reports days and big news events.
Well, that's great timing because, with the prices as high as they are and with what's been happening out there, I mean, that's going to be a tool I'm sure that a lot of your customers are going to want to use. That's great stuff. All right, stay